Let's take a moment to discuss how to identify the proper size once you've identified the type. To accurately get the correct adapter size, you need to measure the male threads on the adapter. So if I take this caliper and I measure, I have 11/16 of an inch. If I don't have access to a caliper, I can do the same with an open end wrench. Here I've got a 5/8 inch wrench. As I try to slide it onto the male threads, you notice that I cannot get it to fully seat. If I take the next size up in 11/16, it slides on perfectly and snug. Once I have the size, the 11/16, I refer to the chart included in the manual, and our sales department will send you prior to getting the order. Once you identify the type, for this machine, we're going to use an O-ring face seal. We look in the ORS column, and we come down till we find the thread size of 11/16. We follow it over. We've identified now that we have a -6.